Okay guys, as the name suggests, Tian waterfall, okay? So I guess this is one of the main attractions of this park in Changzhi. Okay? So let's just quickly get a look for you guys. And it looks like there's a wading pool here. So everyone's there in front of the sign. And yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty magnificent. Check it out. Check out the scenery. We just took the bus here, the minibus, because that's how they make money. But wow, it actually is really cool. And I'm not going there with my brand new Amazon. But yeah, that's the waterfall. Welcome to Changzhi.